Emily is the matriarch of the orphan herd, and we think she's reached a crossroads in her life. She's been trying to decide if she's ready to take her final step back into the world, or if she's going to stay with her herd of orphans. So the Supers gave her a chance to stay all night, to see if she really was ready to leave home.
Schöne Kacke. Schöne Kacke.
Emily's returned to welcome the rest of
Schöne.
them as they let out today. They obviously delighted to see her and rushed to say good morning, their trunks touching her to reaffirm their close friendship.
Schöne.
The keepers know how to handle the situation, and they enlist Emily to encourage the orphan to leave.